everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. We are on route to where?
St. Elmo.
St. Elmo.
St. Elmo's, and it's about 9,000 feet elevation. We're gonna go explore there, so we'll see you when we
Ghost
get there.
Town.
Oh, you didn't mess up that time.
We even brought the poochies. And Moo-moo squished down there. She's saying, you got my jacket, you can lay down, Moo-moo. What's the grade on this road? It's really steep.
Yeah, it's not even steep enough to put a sign up, so I'd say
Oh.
it's only like a 5%.
I guess it evens out. What's steeper right there?
Cascade Falls viewpoint.
Ooh,
look at there.
oh my
Oh,
goodness.
What?
Look at that's beautiful.
What?
Let's go tubing down that sucker. Less than 2 miles.
Less than 2 miles. This is the last chance bathroom. If you need to use the restroom, you need to stop here. Yeah, we're about 2 miles away. You can tell the change of climate up here. It's definitely much cooler. It feels wonderful. I've got my jacket on, and the view is stunning. Hey, Luna.
Keep Luna here.
Ooh, looky, isn't that pretty? It's not mine shaft. I don't know what it is.
Building there.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh yeah, or a bridge. It does kind of look like a bridge.
Well, there's no other.
Oh, look at that snowmobile. Oh, maybe it is a foundation for a house, because there's one right there.
Maybe, yeah, it's in progress.
Yeah.
National Historic District. Look at that. They're actually using this whole tree. They just cut a whole tree
Oh,
down.
we're here. It's coming up. Ooh, look at that old building.
Yeah, this is where we want to walk around, guys.
Wow, look at that. These places have been moved here.
Or is it not?
Oh, look at that old building right there. Guest house. Must be a motel or
Oh,
something.
there's a gym.
Well, we made it. Not a very big town. Really small. Reminds me of an old western town.
People had to have somewhere to bring their gold to spend it.
Oh, that's true.
I got a plate.
Look, it looks like an old general store. Not sure exactly what it was. I like how they put the high faces on the buildings. That definitely makes them look older. Here's the Miners Exchange. St. Elmo's General Store. So this was the general store. Oh my god! Look at the awesome hummingbirds.
Hey, look, you can buy food to feed the chipmunks.
Can you?
Yeah. Look at all the chipmunks running around. That was a good shot.
Welcome. All St. Elmo's property is privately owned. Small shop. It just has some old antique stuff. Plates. Old tools. Pretty neat. Ooh, look at the old glass doorknobs. I remember I used to see these all the time when I worked at an antique shop. Rosewood pottery. That stuff gets pretty expensive. That piece is $150. It's a pretty cool old banjo. Some old reels. Oh, look at that. Cool old lantern and glass bottles. Fat as cheeks are.
They're full of.
I know, they've been
Here's that one.
Sometimes they get so fat that when you try to pet them, they don't run away.
Oh, really?
Come here, Chip and Dale. Get over here, Chip. Where's Dale? Oh, there you are. Hi, buddy. Here. Come here. Come here. He's taking him right out of the bag. We bought canned oxygen, boost oxygen,
Yeah.
because we're all having problems breathing and sluggish.
That's 95%, right?
Actual air is 21% oxygen. This is 95% oxygen. You just take and hold it, and I feel like I could jog up
It
this
does.
trail now.
I feel better after
Yeah,
it. So.
I bought one for Terry, so
Aw.
it'll help her feel better.
Yeah, because she was having problems. So they turned around. What is this? It looks like an old school building.
That's Ghost Town Guest House.
Oh, guest house. Okay.
They got the flag. I don't know what it was.
Yeah, it is a guest house, so it's the hotel. Love this rustic gate. That's cool. Oh, the pick heads on there? Yeah, that's neat.
These were all used at one time to break through the ground to get the gold
Right.
out.
What is that? That looks like a old caboose or something.
It's something steam.
Yeah.
Could be a tumbler
Oh,
to
true.
separate the.
I like how they converted it into the water feature.
Actual process of getting gold out thing takes a lot of chemicals.
Does it?
There's a lot of waste. Yeah, that's why you
Wow.
have to have like a retention pond. I mean, to do it nowadays, you use things like muriatic acid. I mean, use a lot of nasty stuff to
Right.
get gold. Actually, furnace or something.
A blast furnace?
I don't know. Look at all the little holes.
Huh. Oh, yeah, that is weird.
Isn't it?
Yeah, all the little holes in there.
Look at that water stinks.
Oh, that one does? It's cool, though. I like that feature. It's a pretty cool old-timey looking building. Creepy. They got wagon wheels and all the stuff for the wagons.
This is all tack.
Yeah, that is so neat.
Horses. Big pry bar.
Ooh.
Rocks.
Got a lot of stuff here. Look at those old rims.
A 1928 Buick. Wooden rims.
$65 each, I guess. Wow, they are wooden. Isn't that neat? I didn't notice they had all this stuff here.
Remember my old bottle I found?
Hey, your
The
old
actual
bottle?
Cork?
Right?
Mine's got the cork in it.
Oh, yeah. It's cool.
Actually, these you find a lot in just bottle drops. They used
Right.
to throw them all in one place. A lot of times when I'm metal detecting, I'll find a bottle drop. Start digging them out.
Mermaid. You need that for your dash. Oh, wow. They have a bunch of wagon wheels, metal ones back there.
They probably just found them all over in these hills.
Probably.
Look,
There's so many
Terry was saying
hummingbirds.
about a bird going up.
Oh, yeah. Barbed wire, $2 each.
Oh, look at far right.
All right.
That's a fool's gold. That's all. That's what glistens in all the sand here.
Yeah. And that's light and floats.
Yeah, it's a lot lighter than gold. You can pan that right out.
Right. Oh, look at these old are these tractor seats?
Buggy seats.
Yeah, or buggy seats. Yeah. They've turned them into just stools. Oh, that's neat. These are the glass things for the electric.
Transformers.
Yeah.
Or yeah, they were
I like when they turn stuff into
Insulators.
the insulators. That's right. I like when they turn them into art.
These are probably hubcaps the cars lost on the roads getting up here back.
All the old hubcaps. Yeah, look at all those old wagon wheels. Oh, look at the hummingbirds. They're just everywhere. Those look dangerous. Those are so creepy. Should put one on the front of Panda. Nah. You need one of these for the front of your truck.
I do.
Goodrich Silvertowns.
Pilsner, Tivoli beer.
They got a lot of stuff.
Denver, Colorado.
Denver, Colorado.
Pilsner.
Oh, cool.
Tivoli. Brewed in Denver.
Wow, look at all the stuff. Yeah, this definitely reminds me of when I worked at the antique shop. Oh, look at that chandelier made out of the wagon wheel.
A lot of farms.
What are they?
Well, when you used to fell the trees, you used to have to debark them.
Uh-huh.
And there's 2 times a year is the best for debarking, but that's what that is. You pull
Right.
it along the tree and it pulls the bark off, then you're left with just that right there.
Yeah.
And then they would build their homes with it.
More old tools.
Yep.
It's a special purpose for that?
I don't know. Whatever they made, they handmade that for one purpose. Maybe it was something on a tractor.
Oh, like a
Something on a
wrench.
wagon, yeah.
What is it? Oh, no pump.
Hog oiler.
Hog oiler.
1953.
That's weird.
Those flybys.
Yeah, if you hear the cricket sound, that's not crickets. Those are all hummingbirds. There's like tons of them.
Christmas, I'm getting buzzed.
Did it try to attack you?
No, they're just fast.
Yeah, they are, and they fly right by you. The view here is fantastic.
An old tin cup.
That's cool. Looks like a measuring cup.
Drinking. I wonder if they're them pronghorn ones, the ones that are. Yeah, them just two horn.
Yeah. This was a cool small town to visit, but there's really not much here. They are doing some construction here and people are moving in. But we're gonna head back down the mountain and go to get something to eat because I'm starving.
They're always wondering why is a waste of time. I am trying to figure out. Why take so long?
Look at that. We had to stop here. That is freaking awesome. Wow. Be careful. Seth filming.
Look at these amazing rapids over here.
Whoa, son, beautiful.